and welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. A minute ago, we talked about the 7 parts to a business plan. Today, we're going to talk about the first few of those in a bit more detail. First up, as I'm sure you recall, is the executive summary. Now, although this comes first, it's often best just to save it for last. It's a summation of everything you're going to write in the next 6 parts, so write those first. Next, we have the company description. This is where you're going to concisely explain what your business is all about, what it is you're going to do, how you're going to function, and realistically, what your hopes and dreams are for the company. This really is going to be a bit more thorough than a summary, but don't get bogged down in the details just yet. You'll do that later on. Next is the products and services section. This is where you should be specific and detailed. You really want to explain out what it is you're going to sell, what it is you have to offer, and what it is that makes you different from your competitors. Do your research.